Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on decimals. Decimals perform a similar role to fractions. They do this because decimals also represent parts of a whole. Decimals have a very special property. They can be changed to fractions, where the denominator can be 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, and so on. Examples of decimals. The following are examples of decimals, and this is how we say it. 0.6, 0.9, 0.15. We do not say 0.15. We say each digit separately. 0.15, 0.40, etc. Changing decimals to fractions. Example 1. Change 0.7 to a fraction. 0.7 can be written as 0.7 over 1. If we multiply the numerator and denominator by 10, we get 0.7 times 10 over 1 times 10. So all we've done, we've multiplied that by 10 and that by 10. 0.7 times 10 gives us 7. 1 times 10 gives us 10. So 0.7 is the same as 7 over 10. Change 0.13 to a fraction. 0.13 can be written as 0.13 over 1. If we multiply the numerator and denominator by 100, we get 0.13 times 100 over 1 times 100. Now 0.13 times 100 gives us 13, and 1 times 100 gives us 100. So 0.13 is 13 over 100. Change 0.124 to a fraction. 0.124 equals 0.124 over 1. If we multiply the numerator and denominator by 1,000, we get 0.124 times 1,000 over 1 times 1,000, which gives us 124 over 1,000. Now if we divide the numerator and denominator by 4, so this is where we can simplify. So wherever you have a fraction, if you can simplify it, then you do so. 124 divided by 4 gives us 31. 1,000 divided by 4 gives us 250. So 0.124 in its simplest form is 31 over 250. So this video has looked at the idea of a decimal, and we've seen how to change a decimal into a fraction.